Let's discuss with the Grignard reagent which is going to produce in the alcohols. So that is also last method. So we are going to prepare the alcohols by using Grignard reagent. What is that Grignard reagent? Grignard reagent, that is general name is called RMGX. So here this Grignard reagent which is going to react with aldehydes and ketones which forms the addition product on further acid hydrolysis which gives rise to alcohols, that is called respective alcohols, whether it is primary alcohol or secondary alcohol, that depends upon the functional group which is going to attack with RMGX, that is called Grignard reagent. So first we discuss about the case number 1, that is with aldehyde. First case number 1, we are going to take with formaldehyde or methanol, that is called formaldehyde means that is general form of aldehyde is R C double bond OH. If I replace R with the hydrogen, that is called formaldehyde or methanol. So here I am going to take this general one RMGX. So this is called Grignard reagent. So this Grignard reagent which is going to react with methanol or formaldehyde, that is HC double bond OH. So that is what addition product will be formed. So what is that addition product? So conversion of this double bond into single bond is called as addition. So that is called nucleophilic addition reaction. So here this R group will act as a nucleophile, that is nucleophile, and this group act as a positive charge. This group called as a positive charge, and this act as a nucleophile. When this nucleophile group, I mean this R group, will attack this carbonyl function, because you know that this is slightly positive nature, slightly negative nature, right? So you should see this mechanism. So when this R group migrates here, HCO minus, and below this one R group will come and attack here, that is remaining will be as it is. This O minus and this positive charge, that becomes OMGX. This is called the intermediate step. So like this nucleophilic substance which is going to attack this carbon function, this is an intermediate compound. So which are further hydrolysis, that is when you are going to treat with water, we are going to obtain the primary alcohol. So I am going to treat with this alcohol HOH. This is called alcohol. So here what happens? So we require only hydrogen. This hydrogen will go and attack with this O minus, and this hydrogen will terminates at the H plus. O minus H, that becomes alcohol. This MgX has a MgHOH. Let's see here. HCOH and R group will be there. Right. So this is called the primary alcohol. The remaining will be I am writing as MgXOH. So RCH2OH, which is called primary alcohol. We are going to obtain the primary alcohol. This is in case number 1. We are going to take the general concept. So instead of this one, I take one example. That is in the place of R group, I will take as a CH3. CH3 Mg. In case of X means nothing but halogen. I will take the iodine group. So this is called methyl group, and in the place of X I take the iodine group. Its name is called methyl magnesium iodide, which is going to react with the formaldehyde, that is HC double bond OH. So mechanism will be same as this. This nucleophile will go and attack this carbonyl function. What we are going to get? The same product we are going to obtain, that is intermediate. We are going to obtain the same intermediate. So H will be as it is. Instead of R group only we are going to get, that is nucleophile, that is CH3 here. So this CH3 is formed. This is called intermediate step. So when I place with the water molecules, if I take place with water molecule, there is a further hydrolysis. What happens? This OH group will come and attack with this MgX, and this H will come and O minus, that is for the primary alcohol. Let's see the product will HCOH So how can I write this one? This I may write as CH3CH2OH. From this name is called methanol or formaldehyde. This formaldehyde is converted into CH3CH2OH. Then this is nothing but ethanol. Its name is called ethanol. Its name is called ethanol. So this is the reaction of the Grignard reagent. So you can see this this how this Grignard reagent will go attack this aldehyde. We are going to form the respective alcohols. So this is in case 1. So in case 1 we have seen the how this Grignard reagent will go attack with formaldehyde. Here also in the case 2 we are also treating this Grignard reagent with aldehyde, but only instead of we are going to take methanol or formaldehyde, we are going to take other than aldehyde group. Other than aldehyde, I can give as name as acetaldehyde. I can take CH3 C double bond O H acetaldehyde. Let's see with so case 2 Grignard reagent which is going to react with other than aldehyde, that is called other than methanol. I am going to take here acetaldehyde. So why I am taking this as say case 2? Because when I take the methanol, only that is symmetrical group will be there. That is so beside the carbonyl function H will be there. That is what symmetrical molecules. Whereas this compound is not a symmetrical. This is an unsymmetrical. So here we are going to expel the secondary alcohol rather than primary alcohol. So only primary alcohol is produced by the methanol or formaldehyde. So that's why I have taken the case 2 as so other than aldehyde, that is called acetaldehyde. This acetaldehyde reacts with what happens? So this is same procedure. So we are going to obtain the CH3 C OMgX and H as it is, and this R group will be there. Further on hydrolysis, we are going to obtain the alcohol. That is called secondary alcohol. CH3 C OH H, and so this is name called secondary alcohol. So this is the case 2. So what I am going to change here? So I am going to change once again. That is example methyl magnesium. I am going to take now here bromide. Now I am going to take as bromide, methyl magnesium bromide with acetaldehyde, CH3 C double bond O H acetaldehyde. We are going to form nucleophilic addition product. That is nothing but CH3 C OMgX H CH3. So after the hydrolysis, we are going to obtain the product as alcohol. That is called secondary alcohol. CH3 C OH H CH3. So this is called secondary alcohol. So this is in case of this one. So that is called other than aldehyde. We are going to obtain the secondary alcohol. So its name is called isopropyl alcohol or 2-propanol. Now let us discuss in case number 3. So here Grignard reagent which is going to react with ketone, we are going to obtain the tertiary alcohol. So let's see here general one RMgX which is going to react with ketone, that is R C double bond O R dash. This is called ketonic functional group. So what happens? Nucleophilic addition reaction takes place. R COMgX and this is R dash. Should not confuse here. So I will take it. This is double dash. So this is double dash. When on hydrolysis, that is water. So what happens? So this H plus will come and attack here, and this MgX OH will be eliminated. So I am going to write the product as R C OH R dash R double dash. Its name is called tertiary alcohol. So let us we can take down an example. Instead of this R double dash, I am going to take the methyl group. That is nothing but methyl magnesium bromide, which is going to react with. I take one example. That is called CH3 C double bond O CH3. That is called ketone. I have replaced R and R dash with the ketone group. That is CH3 group. So when after this taking place, so that is what is the form? That is called intermediate. That is nucleophilic addition reaction. CH3 OMgX CH3 CH3, which on further hydrolysis we are going to obtain the tertiary alcohol CH3 OH. This is called tertiary alcohol. Its name is called tertiary butyl alcohol. Tertiary butyl alcohol, because 4 carbon atoms will be there. 1, 2, 3, 4. So this is tertiary butyl alcohol. So like this, Grignard reagent will go and attack this with aldehyde, other than aldehydes, and ketones. Let's see the summaries of this one. So what we have discussed, that is you can see briefly in summaries. So what is that? First, there's that nucleophilic addition reaction. Yes, obviously. So this is the R dash or CSC group we take as a nucleophilic. This nucleophilic which go attack with this carbonyl function. That is first summary. Second one, Grignard reagent react with carbonyl function. That is in aldehyde and ketone. We are going to obtain the respective alcohols. That is in formaldehyde we are going to obtain the primary alcohol and secondary alcohol. Whereas in ketone we are going to obtain only tertiary alcohols. Let's see the third summary. Addition to methanol gives primary alcohol. We have seen this one. Grignard reagent when react with formaldehyde or methanol, we are going to obtain the primary alcohol. So in addition to other than aldehyde, that is if I take the example of acetaldehyde, we are going to obtain the secondary alcohol. So last one, that is addition to ketone, we are going to obtain this one. Addition to ketone, we are going to obtain the tertiary alcohol. So last one is R and GX. R is nothing but either it is alkyl group or aryl group, or X, you know that this is a halogens, and also I will write this as a nucleophile and this as a positive charge. So this nucleophile will go attack with carbonyl function.